Hey, so welcome back. This is just Steffi, and I am here on day 3 of my 30-day journey back to leading a more active, healthier, and more intentional life. So let's dive right into it. So yesterday, I intermittent fasted for about 19 hours. So I didn't break my fast until about 3 o'clock actually. And I finished eating the night before around 8:30. So that's about a 19-hour fast, which is pretty good. I broke my fast eating some stale chicharron, and I kind of wish I didn't. And another learning here, if it doesn't taste good, like, why eat it? And chicharron is, obviously low carb for me, and I usually use it to break a fast, but they were kind of stale and probably wasn't worth it. But anyway, ate half throughout the rest of it. Then I had for my lunch I had some bacon, and I also had some 3 eggs, which I cooked in an egg cooker. Anyway, that was my lunch: 3 eggs and 4 slices of bacon. So afterwards, I made dinner for my son and my husband. I made some ground beef with some taco seasoning, and then quickly stir-fried that. And then when they both came home around 6:30, I had a little bowl of it, and I didn't take a picture because, again, I've sort of been out of the habit of doing this, but I'm make sure to try and be a little bit more consistent about sharing photos of the foods that I've eaten. I did put on my CGM, so you can see it back there, but it's still calibrating because I didn't put it on till like late in the morning yesterday. So I'm not going to share my readings because it's still calibrating, and so instead I did take my blood sugar and ketone readings yesterday. Yeah, this is right like an hour before I ate. So my glucose was at 92 mgdl, and then my ketones were at 0.4. Now, typically 0.5 is like nutritional ketosis, so I'm pretty actually happy that it's at 0.4. There is this also measurement called GKI, which is the glucose ketone index, and my index was 12.7, which basically says I am not in GKI ketosis, which I can kind of tell just based on the number of ketones. Anyway, if you want to know more about that, leave a comment below, and I can certainly share how I've used ketone testing to determine whether I'm in ketosis or not. My sleep score last night was 78, which is just 1 point lower than the day before, I think. And again, I think it was because my REM sleep was still low, but I'm hoping the next few days it'll get better. My readiness actually for today, according to my Oura Ring, is 86, which is pretty good. And let's see, from an activity perspective, yesterday I did do my walk around my neighborhood, which is only about 1.5 miles. I went out between meetings to go for a walk, and it started to rain 5 minutes after I started. And my initial thought was, oh, I should stop and go back. And then I thought, well, it's just rain and it's summertime, and so what if you get a little wet, right? And also, I got my walk in without having to try and figure out how am I going to get my exercise in, inside for today. Who cares if it rains? We come up with excuses so quickly to not do something. So I'm glad, one, is that I got out of the door, but I decided, no, it's my chance to get out and get outside and go for a walk, get some fresh air too. And then 2, I didn't let the rain stop me. So don't let the rain stop you. It's, just push through, and then I think at the end you'll find that you're super, super happy that you got it done. At least I got out and did it, because I've spent many days not working out, not getting my walks in, so it's a plus for me. All right, so hopefully you'll find that useful, and make sure to subscribe and like and share in case anyone else would like to join us on our journey into a healthier and happier life. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.